Hey there, today we are going to learn a really cool words to build your vocabulary, and this is the initial first step. Let's begin. Accolade. Accolade. It's a noun. Accolade, what does it mean? Accolade means simply an award, an honor, approval, praise, something like that. I mean, चंगे words आ गए अब. पहले हमने negative words से start किया था, and now we are just coming towards the positive words. How you can memorize this word accolade? Well, the linking word is lemonade. Accolade, lemonade. But what's the meaning of accolade? Well, it means an award, an honor, approval, or praise. How this depiction help you to remember this word with the linking word lemonade? See, Jane and Jack received accolades for their lemonade. Wow, they have made excellent type of lemonade in some competitions, so they received a huge accolade, right? So here we see some other example sentences. Laura received accolades from her parents when she brought home her report card with straight A's. The accolade she received for making the varsity's swim team quickly went to her head. After running in his first marathon, Mike said he didn't go it for the accolades. He just wanted to get back in shape. I mean, जरा शशके में आ गया ना. माइक ने कह दी मैं सारा कुछ ऐसे वास्ते नहीं किया जब आप मैच है जीते थे ना, बाद में ऐसे ही कोई बयान आना. तो ये सब हम लोगों ने किसी दाद को वसूल करने के लिए नहीं किया. महज हमारा मकसद यही था कि हम जो है ना वो बस यार फिट शिट होने के लिए गया था. ये तो वैसे ही हो गया, तो मुझसे हो ही जाना था. ए वाला सीन है, ये तो हो ही जाना चाहिए. The next word is adjunct. Adjunct. You can link it with word adjunct. Adjunct. By the way, what does it mean? Junk. It's simple. It means the discarded or waste material, or simply rubbish or trash. Or you can say a collection of miscellaneous items of little value. ठीक है? I mean कोई इतनी importance नहीं है इसकी. For example, ठीक है, salad is a good thing, but हम खाने के साथ उसको रखते हैं. मैं इसको junk नहीं कह रही हूँ, but the thing is that fine, ये little importance. गलत एग्जाम्पल वैसे मैंने दे दिया. लिटिल इंपॉर्टेंस की कोई और एग्जाम्पल ये होनी चाहिए कि जब लड़कियां बाहर निकलती हैं मेकअप करके. नहीं, ये तो उससे भी बुरी एग्जाम्पल आ जानी. ओके, हम इस एग्जाम्पल को देख लेते हैं. The tank driver added junk as an adjective to his tank. He added something as an adjunct. What does mean by adjunct? Something connected or added to another in a subordinate position as an assistant. ठीक, just उसको assist करने के लिए वो होली सोली पर्पस पूरा. अगर आप इसको ऐड ना करो और इसको separately यूज करना चाहो on whole of its own, तो ये आपको कोई पर्पस प्रोवाइड नहीं कर पाएगा. ओके, बट ये किसी और चीज के साथ मिल के आपको असिस्ट करके एक पर्पस पूरा कर सकता है. तो tank driver added junk as an adjunct to his tank for some purpose. Examples are hang gliding is only an adjunct to Rosanna's real love, which is skydiving. ठीक है, real love skydiving है, but ठीक है कभी कभी hang gliding भी चल जाता है as an adjunct. The library was an adjunct to the Blakemore's original home. Okay, the next one is the general's adjunct was not an adjunct but a permanent part of his staff. Come on, well, this is so much adjunct in this example. My mouth is getting chibba. Anyway, so adjutant major कोई आर्मी टाइप का होता है. तो I mean सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एक कोई असिस्टेंट पोजीशन पे है और जस्ट उसको असिस्ट कर रहे हैं सबऑर्डिनेट पोजीशन, बल्कि नहीं, वो मेजर पार्ट है. तो जो चीज मेजर है that cannot be the adjunct. ठीक है, वो होता है ना क्रॉक्स वगैरह देखते हैं, बड़े सजाए हुए कोई होते हैं उन लोगों ने अपनी तरफ से. तो ये अपनी तरफ से वर्ड बड़ा वैसे वर्ड्स कंसिडरेबल है. तो जो अपनी तरफ से वो सजाते हैं, दैट इज आई मीन दे आर एडिंग सम जंक एंड कंसिडरिंग इट एज adjunct, which is assisting their truck to appear more appealing or something like that. Forget it. So adjunct, it means something connected or added to another in a subordinate position. Remember this. The next is affidavit. Affidavit, ये बहुत कॉमन है. Affidavit, कोर्ट से affidavit ले आओ, ये लिखवा के ले आओ. See, so it means a sworn written statement, basically. एक खास पेपर होता है जिसपे आप लिख के देते हो कि मैं उस टाइप का नहीं होता, मैं खुदा को हाजिर नाज़िर जान के ये बात कहता हूँ और कहती हूँ, तो वो जो मैं ये नहीं करूँगा, और अगर करूँगा तो फिर कानून जादमा लम्या पा लो. ठीक, ये वाला सीन है. ऐसे तो यहाँ पे we can see the linking word is affidavit. Affidavit, affidavit. So how this picture associate the affidavit word with the linking word? Okay, we see after David slew Goliath, he made out an affidavit not to further hurt any big guy. नसीहत आ गई. अन्नी कोई बड़ी किस्म की नसीहत आई कि उसने एफिडेविट स्वर्ण रिटन स्टेटमेंट के थ्रू ये बात की, आइंदा मैं किसी बड़े बंदे को कुछ भी नहीं कहूंगा. The other examples are the defense lawyer had a sworn affidavit from witnesses claiming his client was innocent of the crime charged against him. जज साहब, मेरे मुंडे ने कुछ नहीं किया. ये माँ का वैसे बयान होना चाहिए. Rosanna had an affidavit from her neighbors giving her permission to cut down the tree on their mutual property line. So the next one is the chairman accepted an affidavit from the claimant who was too ill to appear before the court, before the country commission. The next is affinity. Affinity. A natural attraction, kinship, or similarity. It's basically a noun. Affinity. The linking word is finty. The Chinese have an affinity for the shark fin soup and shark fin tea. Finty, they have affinity. So the linking word, I think so. They are quite nice linking words, along with the depiction, to just fix the word in your memory. Some more examples are Max had an affinity for sports and excellent at football, basketball, or tennis. Monkeys have an affinity for climbing, birds for flying, and fish for swimming. A natural affinity exists between monkeys and apes. The next and last word for today's dose is aftermath. Aftermath. The linking word is same, aftermath. Aftermath means events following some occurrence, a consequence of. Right? ये मैंने किया और इसके बाद ये हुआ. Aftermath. जैसे टॉम एंड जेरी में टॉम एकदम से कैलकुलेशन करते हैं और फिर उसके बाद उसने अकॉर्डिंग to that सारा प्लान करना होता है, और but you have calculated something further consequences occurrence events की वैसे ही होनी हो. Some Einstein is standing over there doing some calculations, and in the next picture you are seeing some boom. Okay, what's that? After doing the math for calculating the atomic bomb, Einstein will live to see the resulting aftermath. Okay. जो आपने कांड की प्लानिंग कर दी है ना, जो रायता घोलने जा रहे हैं उसकी पेंटिंग ऐसी होगी यार, ये दिस इज कॉल्ड आफ्टरमैथ. Example sentences: poverty and economic depression are usually the aftermath of wars. The aftermath of the bombing of Hiroshima was thousands of cancer cases caused by radiations. The aftermath for Christina skipping school too often was flunking her classes. ठीक है, ये कुछ ज्यादा ही scientific type के दो example इसमें आ गए. That's all for today. If you liked the video, hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to just stay tuned. Till the next dose, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.